Hello YouTube, this is an unboxing of Cambron Seafood. So, this is what the box looks like that it comes in. And we're going to crank it open. Alright, so far we are seeing a thank you. We hope you enjoy the content of your order. So what I ordered is called a Maryland sampler. It has 6 large crabs, cakes. Nope, I take that back. 6 large crabs, 2 jumbo crab cakes, 1 pound of spiced shrimp, and a 32-ounce crab meat biscuit. So, let's see. I have no idea. Oh, cooking instructions for the shrimp, for the spiced shrimp. And this is for the crab meat bisque cooking instructions. What do we have here? Crab cakes. And I guess they're showing you how to eat the crab meat. Alright, let's get to what the container has inside of it. Oh, great. Here's the 4 tape. Oh, how do you get this thing open? It is tape. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so I got it out. And apparently, I have some more unwrapping. Oh, great, ice bags. So what do we have here? This says the Premier Large Male Maryland Crabs. This box looks empty. This box looks empty. Let me tell you right now, the shrimp is not frozen at all. But it looks seasoned, as you can tell. You see the spices on it. So this right here is the 1 pound of spiced shrimp. And what is this? So I got 2 jumbo lump crab cakes. And I don't think any of this stuff is frozen, guys. This right here, it is cold though. This is cold. Yeah, this is frozen. It's cold. This one right here is the Maryland crab meat biscuit. Y'all see that? And if I'm not mistaken, that's it. Oh, y'all want to see what that looks like? Actually, I'm not really ready to open this yet. Look. So, that's it. That's the unboxing. Thanks for watching, YouTube.